So here we have a Doosan DX63 available in stock at EMS Machinery. This is a 6.3 ton machine. With a 60 horsepower Yanmar engine. We're offering 0% finance for 5 years with a 2,000 hour warranty, or 2 years, whichever comes first. This digger comes equipped with 3 Geith buckets, a Geith hydraulic hitch, and 4 hammer piping, so 2 either side. It has check valves as standard, work lights, this digger is also equipped with a blade as shown. It has a beacon just at the back of the machine. So it's equipped with a 60 horsepower Yanmar engine. For more details on this machine, please get in contact with our sales team.